In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are congruent, the opposite sides are congruent, both pairs. The opposite sides are parallel, the opposite sides are parallel, both pairs. The diagonals bisect each other, but they're not necessarily congruent to each other. The opposite angles are congruent to each other, and all pairs of consecutive angles are supplementary. When we talk about a rectangle, you most likely think of these right angles, but we also know that the diagonals are going to be congruent to each other. I've showed it by showing that all of the half diagonals are congruent. When we look at a rhombus, we'll see that we have diagonals that are perpendicular to each other, and the diagonals bisect the angles. When we look at a square, we see that a square has all of the properties of a parallelogram, has all the properties of a rectangle, has all the properties of a rhombus, and it has four congruent 45, 45, 90 triangles inside. In total, the parallelogram has two sets, I should say two pairs of congruent triangles. In a rectangle, it has two pairs of congruent isosceles triangles. In a rhombus, it has four congruent right triangles. Well, that is not true. It has two pairs of two congruent right triangles. But not all four triangles are congruent, because these lengths are different, or they could be. In a square, I've already written that it has four congruent 45, 45, 90 triangles. Thank you.